Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. चलो कॉपीज निकालो आप. Concentrate. So last time we discussed what? The example of the push down automata, right? So what was the example? You tell me. So what is push down automata? It's an automata which accepts context free language generated by. So last time we discussed about an example of 0 raised power n, 1 raised power n, right? Today we talk about an example, another example, WWR, such that W is equal to 0 plus 1 closure. It's not clean star, it's closure, okay? In clean star we have the epsilons also, right? In closure we have at least something. And this is two words. This can be replaced by 0 and 1, okay? And that means this is the even palindrome, because the reverse is also true, because OR means reverse. Like the palindrome is like, well, we have 0 1 and 1 0, for example. Like you read this way 0 1 and you read this way also 0 1. So 0 1 1 0 0 1 0, right? Like you have pop, you read this way pop, you read this way also pop, right? Something like that. This is a palindrome, you know palindrome, right? So we want to design a push down automata which will accept this language, which is the even palindrome. So that how we see that, what is your intuition about it? That we may have, for example, this 0 1 1 0. So how can we say this is perfect? Isn't it? So what does it, what the palindrome means? Palindrome means up to the mid, up to the whatever is coming from the mid, after that it should reverse. So if it's coming 0 1, from here it should be 1 0, right? Like we have M A D A M, okay? This is the midpoint. After the mid, what is happening in here, it should happen on this side also. It is MA, it's AM, right? The midpoint जो इधर से हो रहा है वही. So that means I need to find out the mid, right? Which unfortunately we can't. We do something else for that, because that's why we have, this is the non-deterministic push down automata. This is what? Non-deterministic push down automata, where we have multiple, it can go to the multiple ways. I will discuss it later. But temporarily I need the mid, right? Temporarily I need mid. So how can I see whether they are same on this side and this side of the mid? So what I do is I will push these guys, and when the mid hits, listen, concentrate. Like we did not push and pop. We had 0 raised power n and 1 raised power n. So what did we do? We pushed all the zeros. When the 1 came, I see कि सुशा push हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. I started matching. With every one, I popped 0 and it was balanced. If it is balanced, I accept it. So that means it is 0 raised power n, 1 raised power n, right? So we did what? We pushed all the zeros into the stack. Say we have 3 zeros. Say we have this 0 0 0 1 1 1. It is okay because it comes in a raised power n and 0 raised power n and 1 raised power n. N is here 3. So it is 0 raised power 3, 1 raised power 3. So 3 bar 0, 3 bar 1. It was all right. So what I did, for all of these zeros I pushed them. All the zeros I pushed into the stack. Last example, right? You don't even bother to see it at home, right? Have you even bothered? Copy पे किया वो? Whatever, if it is A or 0, one is the same thing, right? A raised power n, B raised power n, or 0 raised power n, 1 raised power n. So all these zeros or A's I will push, right? When this one comes, I will pop. So इस one के लिए मैंने ये pop किया, इस one के लिए ये pop किया, इस one के लिए, so last में z not होगा ना आपको? So that means we accept it. Same thing we apply for this. मिड तक हम पुश करते जाएंगे, और जब ये वाला बंदा आएगा वो पॉप करेगा. क्या करेगा? और वो अगर वो सेम निकला है ना, अगर वो say for example we have this string 0 1 1 0, why this is the middle, right? So I push firstly 0, firstly Z0, then 0, right? Then 1. The middle comes. Now I don't have to push. After middle, I will see for every one. Okay, if it is 1, there should be top also 1. अगर यहाँ पे 1 नहीं है, that means it is not a palindrome, right? If it is 1, correct, pop. 0, 0, correct, pop. Then last में epsilon आएगा, no move, and Z0 accepted. Right? Say for example we have a string like this 0 1 1 0 1. Now this is the mid, right? Or we may have this is again the 1. Okay? Now 0 1 1 0. So this is 1 1 0, and from this side is 0 1. So it's not a palindrome at all. So what do you do? You push firstly 0. Firstly Z0, then 0, then 1, then 1. When the middle hits, you have the pop. So here is 0. What is on the stack top? So it's not a match. So we rejected this. We getting? So same way we design this. Same way we are going to design this. Let me erase this, and we will make firstly, and we understand how we find this midpoint. We are not actually going to find the midpoint. Yes, question. हाँ, अगर हमारे पास इनपुट स्ट्रिंग है 1 1, say for example, or we have 0 1, and what should be after it? 1 0, because 0 1 1 0 on this way also is 0 1 0. मैंने क्या एग्जाम्पल दी थी? नहीं 0 1 1, ये वाली, ये भी तो है, लेकिन ये इवन पैरेंड्रोम, इवन के लिए थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट, ये ऑड है ना, इसके लिए जो ये वाला है ये डिस्कार्ड करना पड़ेगा जो, इसलिए मैंने कहा, इसीलिए मैंने इसको कहा कि इवन पैरेंड्रोम है. क्या है? दैट्स आई हैव शोन 2 W's नॉट द 3. ओके, सो अगर ऑड पैरेंड्रोम है उसमें आपको ये वाला पुश इसको फेंकना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड, क्योंकि ये वाला बीच यहां से भी आ रहा है, यहां से भी आ रहा है ना बीच में. So we don't have to bother about it. It should be ignored. It should be what? इस सूरत में हम क्या करेंगे? अगर मिड ये है, क्या है? मिड ये है, इस सूरत में हम 0 को पुश करेंगे, 1 को पुश करेंगे, ये वाला मिड वाला 1 फेंकेंगे. We will not push it. Okay? After that we start seeing if it is 0, it is 1. No, it's not a palindrome, right? And so on. You getting my point? Okay. So we will see what happens. तो अगर ये ऐसा होता 0 1 1 1 0 ऐसा होता, तो अब ये पैलिंड्रोम है ना, ये 0 1 यहां से 0 1. सो इसमें मिड जो है ना ऑड, दिस इज ऑड पैलिंड्रोम, नॉट इवन पैलिंड्रोम. इसमें आप पहले पुश करोगे 0 and 1, राइट? फिर ये वाला 1 क्या करोगे? यू डोंट पुश इट, यू इग्नोर इट. ओके, यू डिस्कार्ड इट, यू नाइदर पुश नॉर पॉप इट. ओके, देन यू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. सो अब मिड के पार चला गया ना, नाउ व्हाट डू? You will start popping 1 1, yes, correct, pop 0 0, pop, and Z0 comes, right? If we have an example of madam, for example what? MADAM. Okay, this one is the middle. You push these guys. Okay, you want to see first push M, push A, D, the mid part, discard if it's an odd. If odd, discard. Okay, then afterwards what do you do? Pop, but they should match. अगर मैच हो गया तब पॉप करो. A है पॉप, M है पॉप, correct, accept it. It is a palindrome. But we are talking of even palindromes. We are talking what? Now tell me to design the state diagram firstly. Then I will tell you how to find the mid. Okay, I will tell you how to find the mid. But first tell me design the state diagram like we did last time. So what do you do? This is the Q0. Firstly, we will have the input epsilon. Okay, because what do you want to do in the first place? In the first time we want to push. We want to push Z0. Do you want to pop anything? So comma में क्या होता है? ये input होता है. पहले हमारे पास यहाँ input होता है, ठीक है? Transition diagram to whatever. The transition diagram has 3 parts. The first part is the input, comma. Then pop goes to pop. You have to see what is to pop and what is to, you have to say this. मुझे क्या पॉप करना है यहाँ पे? नो, आई डोंट हैव टू पॉप एनीथिंग. So pop is epsilon again. What I have to push? So put z naught here. Okay, so it will go to the second state, which is my q1. Does it make sense? The same way we did yesterday, last time, not yesterday. That we want to push z naught. So that means we are not taking an input right now. Input is ये मेरा input है, for example. I'm not taking any input. Firstly I have to, Ikra, you getting? Firstly I have to push z naught. So that means input कुछ नहीं है, pop करना है कुछ, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इनपुट होता है, फिर पॉप और पुश करना है कुछ, सॉरी पॉप करना है कुछ, नो पुश करना है. सो पुश का करना है z naught. Go to the q2. Now here 0 can come, 1 can come, 0 can come. जब तक मिड नहीं मिलता तब तक क्या करना है? पुश करना है. जब तक मिड, until you do not get the mid, you have to push, right? So that means here it has to be like this. If 0 comes, if input has 0, like this, input has comma, should I push or pop? Firstly, should I pop anything? What should we pop? Epsilon. What should we push it? 0. Maybe 1 came, no problem. Many things can come up to the middle. 0 आया, 1 आया, we had to all push. So tell me what should be it? 1 input, pop, nothing, push 1, right? अब मिड आया, अब क्या आया? अब मानो ये करके 0 1 0 1 0 1 इसने लिए, अब मिड आ गया. अब मिड के बाद क्या करना है मुझे? So first जब हम मिड आएगा, we will say we take the epsilon move. Again we take what? अब आप बताओ कि भाई ये कैसे किया हमने, एप्सिलॉन कैसे बीच में आ गया, अब कैसे पता चलेगा कि मिड आ गया, है ना? अभी इसमें तो पता नहीं चल रहा ना. आई विल टेल यू कैसे पता चलेगा, कि हम कैसे पता चलेगा एप्सिलॉन आ गया. ठीक है, बेसिकली हम पूछना ऑटोमेटा उसकी बता रहे हैं जहां एक्सेप्टेंस की तरह जा रहा है. अदरवाइज वी विल हैव अ पार्स ट्री, वी विल हैव व्हाट, आई विल टेल यू हाउ व्हाट. बट फर्स्टली लेट मी से कि मिड आ गया. अगर मिड आ गया, इट विल डू द एप्सिलॉन मूव, इट विल डू व्हाट? एप्सिलॉन मूव, राइट? सो in this case I do not have to push anything, neither I have to pop anything. So this will be epsilon to epsilon, and it will go to the state q2. But when it reaches the q2, that means we have reached the mid. We have reached the mid. Mid पहुंच गया. Now what should we do, Sadia? We have to pop only. Now Sadia will get up and tell me. अब pop में क्या हो सकता है भाई? कभी 0 आ सकता है, कभी 1 आ सकता है. अगर 0 आ गया, कमा इनपुट 0 है, what should I pop? I have to pop the 0, it should match. अगर 0 आ गया तो 0 होना चाहिए स्टैक टॉप पे. अगर 1 आ गया तो 1 होना चाहिए स्टैक टॉप पे. अभी तो सिखाया मैंने, जैसे मैडम मैंने कहा था ना, MADAM, आपने M डाला है, A डाला है, यहाँ Z0 है. अब मिड आ गया ना, इसके बाद अगर A आता है तो A होना चाहिए, तब जाके मैच हो गया ना. अगर M है तो M होना चाहिए. इसी तरीके से अगर यहाँ 0 या 1 है, यहाँ 0 होना चाहिए, यहाँ 1 होना चाहिए. सो अगर ये 0 1s है तो मेरा मैच बन रहा है ना, तो इधर का वाला मैच हो रहा है, तब जाके तो पैरेंड्रम होगा ना. गेटिंग? सिट डाउन. सो अगर 0 है तो क्या होना चाहिए, क्या पॉप करना है? 0. एंड व्हाट वी नीड टू पुश? एप्सिलॉन. नथिंग, आई डोंट हैव टू पुश, आई हैव टू पॉप, बट इट शुड मैच द 0. व्हाट अबाउट 1? पॉप 1, पुश नथिंग. सो अब हमने सारे किए, तो लास्ट में जब इनपुट खत्म हो जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट आउट? व्हाट विल बी दैट? एप्सिलॉन. इट विल बी. सो नाउ आप जब एप्सिलॉन आया, आपने सारे पॉप किए, सारे पुश किए, इनपुट सारा खत्म हो गया ना, ये सारा स्टैक अब खाली हो गया. अब उधर क्या होना चाहिए? Z0 होना चाहिए. यानी कि आपने इनपुट तो कुछ नहीं दिया आप, ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू पॉप व्हाट? Z0. If such is the case and you have to push nothing, I don't have to push anything now, I have to pop Z0. अगर लास्ट में सारा इनपुट दे के एप्सिलॉन मूव करने से मेरे को Z0 निकल रहा है, तो उसका मतलब है कि अशुपक में ठीक. That means कि it should be accepted. That means it should be what? So it will go to the Q3, which is an accepting state. Does it make sense what I'm saying? देखो छोटी सी एग्जांपल करते हैं, फिर मैं समझाऊंगा मिड कैसे आएगा. पहले हम एग्जांपल करेंगे टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस डायग्राम. ओके, यहां देखो आपकी डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे लास्ट वाले. फर्स्ट कम्स दिस, फर्स्ट पहली बार जब आएगा व्हाट विल हैपन, द एप्सिलॉन विल कम. बिफोर एनी इनपुट वी हैव टू टेक द एप्सिलॉन मूव बिकॉज आई नीड टू पुश व्हाट, z नॉट. सो एप्सिलॉन कम्स, pop nothing, push, done. You are in a state q1. अब उसके बाद ले लो इनपुट, 0 भी आता है 1 भी आ रहा है ना. 0 आया, क्या करोगे? अगर 0 आया पुश इट, डोंट पॉप एनीथिंग. फर्स्ट थिंग इज इनपुट, दिस इज पॉप, दिस इज पुश. इतनी सारी बात आपको नहीं आती समझ आई? ये आ रहा समझ? पहला वाला इनपुट होता है, ये पॉप होता है, पुश होता है. तो 0 अगर इनपुट आया तो पॉप करोगे कुछ ना जी. पुश करोगे तो करो वही पुश जो है आया, तो करो 0 पुश. उसके बाद क्या आया 1. 1 अगर आएगा इनपुट क्या करोगे? रीड दिस, रीड दिस, रीड दिस. दिस इज इनपुट, दिस इज, विल यू पॉप एनीथिंग? नो. यू विल व्हाट विल पुश? द 1. पुश द 1. अब मिड आ गया ना, ये मिड था ना, मिड आ गया. मिड, नाउ डू द एप्सिलॉन मूव. In epsilon move you only go to q2, neither you push nor you pop. You go to the q2. Now you are taking zeros or ones. You are taking zeros or from the input. You don't have to pop, you don't have to push, you have to. But if it is matching, if it is, then you can pop. Right? See, अब क्या आया यहाँ पे input 0. यहाँ पे आया ना input अब 0. ठीक है, सॉरी यहाँ पे 1 आया, हमारे 1 है, सॉरी हमारा 1 है. सो 1 आया इनपुट. ठीक है, अगर 1 इनपुट आया तो स्टैक के टॉप पे क्या होना चाहिए? वो पॉप करेंगे. है कि नहीं है? हाँ है. सो इट इज पॉप्ड. करेक्ट. अगर फर्ज कीजिए यहाँ पे 1 था और यहाँ 0 था, उसका मतलब है रिजेक्ट. दिस इज नॉट बीन एक्सेप्टेड. दिस इज नॉट ए पैलेंड्रोम. पैलेंड्रोम की शक्ल में जो अब आएगा वो मैच होना चाहिए स्टैक टॉप के साथ. गेटिंग? नाउ after that comes 0. If the 0 comes, what will you do? You will pop, but you will pop 0 if it is matching with the input. If it's 0 here, 0 here, input be 0, pop be 0, right? So if the input is 0 and yes it is, so you can pop it. Gone. Input finish. Input. So इसके बाद ना 0 आ रहा है 1 आ रहा है. अब क्या आएगा इसके बाद? Epsilon आएगा ना. You have the epsilon as an input. Epsilon move. Will you pop what? You will pop z naught if it is there. If it is on the epsilon move, if you are popping z naught, that means you are done right. It was palindrome, right? And it is happening. मैंने जब epsilon move किया यहाँ पे z naught है ना? And you are going to the accepting state. You accept this string. It's palindrome, even palindrome correct. Done. But now the problem is कि mid कैसे मुझे मिलेगा? है ना? Now we talk about the mid. Now we talk about what? So basically, are you drawing with me? But I need this diagram, so I will make little. Oh no. Line, huh? Yes, I will make it here, right? Maybe this thing. Now, basically, what we have is we have the input like this 0 1 1 0. We don't take input like this. We assume epsilon at every step. We assume epsilon at, got it? So what we do is this input is taken as like this. This is my input. Input is what? 0 1 1 0. But we take input as like this. Epsilon implies the epsilon 0, epsilon 1, epsilon 1, epsilon 0. Put epsilon everywhere. Put epsilon. Now tell me about this diagram. So we are on the state Q1 for example. Let us see the stack. What will happen to the stack? This is the epsilon. Firstly, what's the first input? Epsilon. What do we do? We are on a Q0 state. So this is my Q0 stack. This is my Q0 stack. If on Q0 epsilon comes, what will you do? You will push that knot. You will push. Fine. इतना तो है, यही तो है. you push Z0 and don't pop anything, and you go to which state? Q1 state. You go to the okay, this is in fact Q1 state stack के अंदर है ना Q1 अभी कि ये Q0 पे ही था, ठीक है. ओके, नाउ Q1 पे जब आप हो, अब आप कहाँ हो? Q1 पे. सो इन फैक्ट दिस इज Q1 ऑन Q0 इशू Q0 से ना, Q0 में स्टैक एम्प्टी है. Q0 में क्या है? स्टैक. Q0 पे तो कुछ था नहीं स्टैक में, है ना. Q0 में स्टैक एम्प्टी था. दिस इज Q0, आवर स्टैक वाज एम्प्टी. नाउ Q1 इज स्टैक इज Z0 or Z0, right? ठीक है. Now what will come after that? Now it is coming 0. यहां देखो ना इनपुट अब आया ना, यहां पे ना अब कौन है इनपुट? 0. So when the 0 comes, I am aware at Q1. I am at Q. When the 0 comes, what will you do with the 0? You will push 0. You will push. So you will stay at Q1 and you will push 0. Is it? Okay. Now, after that, what is it? What is it? Epsilon. Epsilon or 1, it is your choice. Will you go to epsilon or you go to the 1? At Q1, will you go to epsilon or you go to 1? This is non-deterministic. Okay? It can go this way or that way. You can take both, whichever it is. Maybe you took epsilon. Maybe you took what? If you took epsilon or you took the 1, input is what? 1. Either you took epsilon or you took input as 1. Now, if it took epsilon here, what will happen to it? It will go to Q2. It will go to, if it takes epsilon, it will go to Q2, right? What is in a stack? Z0 and 0. Will it change? Z0 and 0? No. Because on epsilon, I'm not, if it takes epsilon, what is this here? It's epsilon, you know? So I'm neither pushing nor popping anything, right? My stack stays same. Okay? Now, if I take here 1, if I take here, what will happen to the 1? It will again stay at Q1, right? But it will push that one, right? Enough? Okay. But if it takes epsilon, if it takes here epsilon, at 0 epsilon it go to Q2. It will go to Q2, right? On Q2, after Q2, because what will happen is, if you take this path, for example, it will not lead you, because on Q2 it is stuck now. On Q2 it is what? Stuck. Why? Because after Q2, when it is on Q2, it may take the zeros and ones. At Q2 it may take zeros and, if I go this way, it is going to Q2. Now after Q2 it may take 0 or 1 from the input, right? Say for example, now I went to the here, I was here na? I was here. Oh, तो क्या हो गया? Is it gone? Oh, so sorry. ये बोर्ड है कि कौन सा पावर पॉइंट आ गया ना? ये कहाँ से आ गया? इसको हाथ लग गया थोड़ा सा, कोई मसला नहीं. Don't worry, I will repeat this. Don't worry. थोड़ा मोटा ही लिखिए. चलो अच्छा ही हो गया. यहाँ से ये हमारा what was the language? Language was WWR raised power such that W is equal to 0 plus 1 plus closure. That was our language. So if you are Q1, this is the initial state here, Q1, and you take the epsilon, and you have to use the epsilon as the pop, but you have to push Z0 to go to Q2. On Q2 is not Q0, then it's Q1. Okay? It doesn't matter. It's alright. If it is 0, then you have to do what? You have to push that 0, right? You have to pop epsilon, push 0. If it is 1, you have to pop nothing but push 1. Okay, after that, ये थोड़ा ऊपर लिखना है. गड़बड़ हो गया था. This is Q2. On Q2, but ये इसी पे था, ये था ना इस पे. Here it is what? Epsilon. It will do the epsilon move. It will do epsilon move to go to Q2 because this is mid now. After mid it has to pop, right? अगर इसमें आएगा 1 input, you have to pop that one and push. If 0 आया, you have to pop 0 and push nothing. And last में अगर epsilon आया, you have to pop Z0 and push nothing, and you go to the Q3, which is the accepting state, right? Now we had the input, what input? We had input what? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? And we change this input as epsilon 0, epsilon 1, epsilon 1, epsilon 0. Now epsilon, firstly Q0 stack is empty, right? Now this is Q1. This is what? What will happen to the Q1 state? When the epsilon comes, it will go to the epsilon firstly comes, it goes to the Q2, it goes to Q1, and it pushes the Z0, right? Now we are here, right? Okay, this is done. Now we are 0. Now it will take the 0 as input. What will happen to the 0 as input? When the 0 comes, it will push the 0, and it will stay at Q1. So there will be Z0 and 0, right? ये थोड़ा छोटा लिखा था ना, हमने मोटा लिखा. Okay, now after that what will happen? What is coming after that? हो गया ना? Now you have choice, either take epsilon or 1. Either take epsilon or, here I will take either epsilon or I take 1. If I take epsilon, I will go to the Q2. If I take 1, what will happen? I will stay at Q1. I will stay at, but I have to push that. Here we have the Z0 and 0. Z0 and 0, right? Done? Okay. Now what is after that? Input? Epsilon, ये तो epsilon 1 हो गया ना? Epsilon 1 हो गया. ये 2 हो गए. अब मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. Either take at epsilon or I take what? 1. If I am Q2, if I am at what? If I am Q2, because now both ways I can go ना? यहाँ तक input आ चुका है. I have to take either epsilon or I have to take 1. Right here? If I am at Q2 and I take epsilon, what will happen to me? I will go to Q3. But there should be on top what? Top of the stack should be Z0. Then I can go to accepting state. But in this case, if I take the epsilon, if I take what? If I take epsilon is on the top Z0, so this will be rejected. If I take maybe 1, on Q2 I take what? 1. I will stay at Q2. I will stay at, and the stack will be 0, Z0, 0 and 1. Z0, 0 and, it will be Z0, 0 and 1, because now Z0, 0 to thai. If the 1 comes at Q2, you have to, actually sorry, it will again wrong, because if the 1 comes, 1 should be on the stack of top, so it will be again rejected. It will be again what? Because यहाँ पे pop करना है ना आपको. अगर आप Q2 पे हो, किस पे हो, और 1 आ रहा है, तो 1 stack top पे होना चाहिए. You can pop that, लेकिन 1 तो है नहीं stack top पे, तो 0 है, so you have to reject it. So this way I can't move. Now I am on Q1. I am on the Q1 here now. Okay, this is my stack 1, 0 and Z0, right? And I am taking epsilon or 1. Now in this case, I will replicate it here. Okay, I am on Q1 now, and I have Z0 and 0 and 1 on the stack, right, Isha? But I am on where? I am on Q1, that is here. That is, and my inputs are epsilon or 1. My inputs are epsilon or 1. If on here I take the epsilon, I will go to Q2. If I take from here epsilon move from Q1, I will go to Q2, and the stack will be Z0, 0 and 1. And if I take 1 here on Q1, if I take what? 1 here, what will happen? I am on Q1 here, right? So what is on the stack? Z0 0 1. So what will happen? You have to push 1. You have to push. You getting me? आप लिख रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो? कहाँ कर रहे हो तुम दिखाओ. मुझे लगता है आपको नींद आ गई जैसे. मुझे लगता है आपको नींद आ गई जैसे. Complete it and show me. Complete it and show me which way it will go and accept it. You have to show me ना कि Q2 पे जब है क्या पॉप हो रहा है और ये बैलेंस हो रहा है बराबर और फिर एप्सिलॉन से यहां जा रहा है, वो पाथ निकाल के दो मुझे. Do it and I will check. You are sleeping. It seems like the back guys are sleeping. You can close this.